All right, what's going on today, guys? If you want to start an e-com brand with no money, make sure you listen to today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for daily content just like this. If you didn't check out yesterday's video, you can go do so as well. I appreciate you guys, and let's hop right into today's video.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
So when you are running an e-com store, it's hard to do it with no money. I don't want to lead you guys down the wrong path. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not something you can do with completely zero money, because you do have to pay $29 a month for Shopify. But I'm going to try to break this down in a way that it makes it simpler and easier for you to do this with zero money, or at least close to zero, because I'm very practical and very transparent with you guys. So number one is, you can have a free Shopify theme, but you still have to pay the $29 a month. So right now we have 29 bucks we have to pay monthly, which is less than $1 a day. So I think you'll be okay. Let's hope. If you're trying to get into this business and you can't afford $1 a day, then you should probably be rethinking your financial literacy and priorities, just being very blunt. Because if you can't afford $1 a day, there's a lot of other things that need to be fixed first. So that's the first thing. You can build a free Shopify theme within Shopify. So your store, your branding, all that stuff can be built for free. You can also make custom graphics for your brand using product images, all within Canva. Canva has a paid plan and a free plan, and you can do most of the graphics that you can with that, free plan. So that right there is free. Your Shopify theme is free. Now, the next part that could be free is your product sourcing. So when you go to Oberlo and you go to AliExpress and Alibaba, you can actually use those platforms for completely free. So you can use Alibaba, Oberlo, AliExpress, even Drop Commerce for your product sourcing. So you're not paying, X amount of money a month to get access to certain products, or you can just go on Google and do your research as well. Use forums. Look at TikTok's ad library. You can actually look at TikTok, their ad library, and see what the most trending videos are that are being ran as ads. And a lot of those are products. So you can actually do that for completely free. You can go check what's working right now on TikTok, and you can look at the videos, check the links of the videos. You can check everything about the product. You can try to find that product on AliExpress or Oberlo by just literally searching it in those platforms and try to find it and source it yourself. So that is free. Posting content on TikTok is free. So if you're trying to go with zero money without any ad spend, you're gonna have to push all your content through TikTok. So making trendy videos, which is just gonna take you more time, not money, that's really gonna be your biggest expense when you don't have money to start. You're gonna have to use your time. So if you're, working 9 to 5, or maybe you're not doing anything at all, like, you have all the fucking time in the world. Let's be real. And even if you are working a 9 to 5 from 7 o'clock to 11 p.m. at night after you eat dinner and shower, you got to be grinding on this thing. And you can really get it done with no money, but it's just going to take a lot more work. I would probably say about 3 to 4 times more work than what you'd be used to if you had, at least $500 to $1,000 ready to spend. So there's that. There are some free Shopify apps that I can recommend for you to increase your conversion rates. Number one is Pagefly. So you can actually make custom landing pages. You get one per the home page, you get one. Regular pages, you get one. Product page, you get one. You get one of each in the free plan for Pagefly, so you can still make custom landing pages that will increase your conversion rate with Pagefly for free. Ultimate Sales Boost is another app that's free. TextCar is another app that's free. I'm trying to think about other apps that are free. Those are really the main ones. A lot of the upsell apps are not going to be free. Honeycomb could be free, but if you want to add more upsells, then you have to pay more per month. So you could have free upsells through Honeycomb, and then you got, your conversion boosters through Ultimate Sales Boost. You have your abandoned cart recoveries with TextCart. They have a $0 a month plan. Then you have your custom landing pages with Pagefly for free. So now you have to really commit time, though, to writing good copy. And the basis of writing good copy for your landing page for that product is just looking at what's already working in the market. So you find that product, go research other companies and see what they're running their traffic to. You can look at other companies' ads through their Facebook ad library. So when you go to a Facebook page, you scroll to the bottom left and go to page transparency. You can literally see the ads that the company's running. You can click the learn more, shop now button, so you can see the landing page that they're using. So you can get inspiration from other companies to then write your landing page and your offer. So that's free as well. This will just take a lot more time and research for you. So that is how you can really get your e-com store off the ground with no money. And all your traffic is gonna be either organic or through TikTok or Instagram, Facebook organic. And that's really where most of your buyers are gonna have to come from in the beginning until you build cash flow, then you can run ads, which is obviously not free. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys are enjoying the content lately. I love and appreciate the support I've been getting, all the comments and DMs and all that. Like, it really means a lot to me. You guys are really making this this channel really worth it. I'm excited about bringing you guys value on a daily basis, just like this video. So just like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel.